Alright, so here is the new Oscillot fence that I made from scratch. Or not really a fence, but I guess we're going to see if they work later. So I want them around, got down all the netting, which we hated. It just looked like a friggin' prison. So there's where we wanted to jump. So my only concern is this corner right there, but this is just a test. I might have to make new brackets and put it further up, but we'll find out. So again, I just took 2x2s, took some 11/16 wood 90-degree wood trim and just all the way around, cut them to fit, screw in the middle, made my own brackets with that are aluminum, put them in a vise and just give them a turn, put them all where they kind of match. So found the center hole, 2x4, and this is a bad thing. You're not escaping, cat. Too simple. Watch you later. So found the center point, and this one's a little tight, but I'm hoping it's over the next couple days and his weight will loosen up. So try to keep it blocked where he can't get underneath. That's my other issue with him. So now we wait, and I'll report back after he has tested it out.